What's going on YouTube? Joseph here with Watchpreneurs. I hope you guys enjoyed that last video. If you didn't watch it, click right here to watch this video. It's an amazing video. Anyways, as you guys seen on the title, we are handing out door hangers today. We got 500 door hangers, but today I'm only bringing out a couple and we're going to be passing them around. Now I am in the same neighborhood that I passed out flyers before because I did get some calls back about those flyers. Okay, so we are targeting these driveways. We're targeting the driveways that are dirty. We're targeting the driveways and the houses that look dirty, that have a lot of mold and algae on them. Look at that. All right, so first things first, why did I decide to go with door hangers? Well, let me give you a couple of reasons. Number one, flyers I don't want to leave on the porch, okay? And you can't put them in a mailbox. I have a video on my YouTube channel of me putting it in the mailbox, but it is highly illegal to put things in people's mailboxes, okay? So I'm passing out these door hangers because I don't have to put them nowhere that they're gonna fly away or put them anywhere that's illegal. And also, I don't want to knock on doors right now. With the flyers, I can knock on the door or whatever, but here I can just put one and leave, okay? And it's also a part of my marketing strategy just to see what's working and what's not working. When you guys are marketing for your business, you guys have to try different things because one thing might work in one area, but the same thing might not work in another area. So it can be the design, it can be the flyer, it can be the area, it can be the homeowner, it can be the driveway. It can be whatever it is. You have to try different things, and once you find something that's working, you double down on and you know invest more money into that strategy. Okay, so right now my biggest thing is door knocking, flyers, you know, social media, all that stuff has been working for me, but I want to try different things. So this is my first time putting out some door hangers here. This is the front of the door hanger here, as you can see, and then we got the back of it, which is our services, QR code, phone number, and all that kind of stuff, where we're located. All right, so make it simple. Me, I'm more of a less is more. Okay, I like to be simple because people are lazy. They don't want to read this stuff. They don't want to read what somebody just put on their door without their permission. So we do it for you, pressure washing, free estimates. And then if they're interested, they go to the back. Here's our services. No pictures, no bright different types of colors, none of that stuff. Look at this sidewalk though. You know what I mean? We're gonna get that stuff. So we're gonna put one right here on the house. You can't be afraid to go out here and do this kind of stuff. I'm out here boots on the ground sweating right now, you know? Why? Because nobody else is gonna market for my pressure washing business, right? I don't know anybody else gonna come out here and do this for me. So if you want it, you gotta do it. You know what I mean? Stay tuned. Now some of you guys might say this is an old school way. This is, you know, everybody's in the digital world. But there's a lot of people who are not in the digital world because they don't want to be. People don't like social media. Some people don't like technology. And they read the newspaper and they read the flyers that's in their mailbox and all that kind of stuff, right? So you have to be versatile. You have to either know your target audience on where they're looking for pressure washing at. Online, in the newspaper, in the mailbox, on the door. Where are they looking for pressure washing? Google. But if you don't know, and especially if you're just getting started, you got to try things out. You just have to try different things. If not, you would never know what's going to work, or you would never know the opportunity, the possibility that you can, you know, sell all these pressure washing jobs with a different technique or a different strategy.